Hello dear future doctors, I am Jay Thakkar and I am an MBBS student at Sri MP Shah Government Medical College, Jamnagar, Gujarat. And we here at MemoNeet have handcrafted the NTA PYQ book for you guys. Now first of all, why should you solve the PYQs? So see, solving the PYQs will not only give you an idea about the weightage of the chapter in a paper, but also it will give you the NTA mindset that how difficult are the questions being set from that chapter. Now, to solve the PYQs, you can just download the papers and solve them like tick, 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 tick. But that's not the correct method to solve the PYQs. Why should you buy our PYQ book? See, we have segregated the questions which have been asked in the Neet papers, them chapter wise, okay? And to be more precise, we have micro dissected the chapters and segregated the questions topic wise. Okay, so you can easily identify your weak areas and solve the questions of that particular topic. Now another feature which we are providing is that after solving a question, you must read the crisp explanation of that question, then the detailed explanation. So once you read the detailed explanation, you will not only get the answer of that question, but you will get the big picture behind that question. Okay, so you will learn new concepts beside that question also. So after that, after reading the detailed explanation, what you must do is see the video solution. Now where can you find the video solution? So you just need to scan the QR code which is provided on that page, and you will be able to find the video solution of each and every question. So now you might be saying that, sir, you are providing the questions, then their crisp explanation, detailed explanation along with video solution which are segregated topic wise in just a single book and at such an affordable price. So yes, dear students, our only greed at MemoNeet is that our students succeed in the NEET exam and are able to secure their desired government seat. So we have handcrafted this NTA PYQ book only for you guys. So all the very best, and do solve the PYQs and see the video solutions also. Thank you so much.